On this part, I'm just going to clean up all the Angular components so they don't have any injection of the HTTP client and use the movies service instead. So if you don't want to follow along and you want to do it yourselves, you can just move to the next part. I'll start with the details. So I'll just go to details. And here we have load movie summary. Let's copy this part. Movie service, and then in here I'll actually change the name from load to get movie summary. And then here I'll just return this.http client. This is all I need to do. In the details, I'll replace the HTTP client with movies service, and then movies service. I'll use it down here and simply replace the code and use get movies summary method, and then just subscribe to the observable. So just like this, just remove the logs. Now let us just go to details actors. We have load actors. So in here, I'll just rename this as well to be get movie actors, and then just return. And here the same, I'll change the injection to be the movies service. And then from HTTP client, we're going to have the movies service. Then down here, movies service dot get movie actors. And then of course you need to remove the part here. That is the same for the get movies. So get similar movies. Just copy this part. So get similar movies. Just going to return. Just go to the details, and then in here, the same way, we need to change the injection. Movies service. Be movies service. And then this dot movies service dot get similar movies. Then just remove that part. And here you can see that I don't have any error handling set up because we're going to set up global error handling for Angular applications in the upcoming parts. So in here, I'll just close the details and then go to details reviews. Just copy this one. Go to the service. I'll name it get movie rates. And then just return in here. And then replace the injection to be the movies service. This is going to be the movies service. And then down here, simply use the movies service and then dot get movie rates. And this is all you need to do. So we are done with the details, with the home page. Now we need to also update the search component. So I'll just go to search, and then here, search movies. I'll just name it get searched movies. Then simply just return. Let's just change this to lowercase get. Go to search component. Same way, we need to replace the injection in here. So from HTTP client, we're going to have movies service, and then movies service, and then down here, this dot movies service dot get search or searched movies, and then remove the .get part from the HTTP client. Now in here, before we move to the next part, there is just a small detail. And here on the constructor, you can see that we have, for example, private, then activated route is with an underscore, but the movies service is not. And here you can define these private property names in here either with an underscore or not, but it's important that you keep the code conventions. So like, for example, if you're going to use underscore, you need to use it in all the private properties within the constructor. Otherwise, you can just remove the underscore from this one. And what I'll do is that I'll just copy the activated route, I'll search, and then I'll replace it with the activated route, and then just click this button here and replace it. So we have the camel case in both private properties.